Hello everyone. Today we are going to compare three of the most advanced humanoid robots in the world. Figure 2, Tesla Optimus, and Boston Dynamics Atlas. Not long ago, it was a big deal if a robot could just walk across the room without falling. Now, we got robots that can do parkour, carry boxes in warehouses, and might soon even help us at home. Let's break them down one by one. I'm Vida, and welcome to Tech Time. So the first one is Figure 2. This robot shocked everyone because of how fast it came to life. Most companies take years to get a robot working, but Figure 2 did it just in 12 months. It's built like a human. It's 5 feet 6 inches tall and 130 pounds. So it can fit perfectly into spaces already designed for people. So that's very huge because warehouses and factories don't have to be redesigned to use it. What really stands out about this robot is its motion control system. While most robots still move a bit stiff, Figure 2 walks with a natural gait, almost like human. It can hit 2.5 meters per second, which is basically a strong power walk, and stay stable even on uneven ground. Inside, it runs on electric actuators and AI-powered vision, letting it adapt quickly to different environments. So the company's main goal is to put Figure 2 to work in industrial settings like warehouses, manufacturing, and logistics. Now let's talk about Tesla Optimus. Tesla's strategy is completely different. They are focused on mass production and affordability. Optimus is powered by the same AI neural networks that run Tesla self-driving cars. So basically the same tech that it lets a Tesla car navigate the streets is being used to help a robot navigate the world. It has 28 custom light belt actuators that mimic human joints, giving it a wide range of motion. So Tesla even designed a special battery pack just for Optimus. It's lightweight and it has high capacity and able to keep it running for about a day. The really clever part about this robot is built in-house and designed for scale. Tesla wants to manufacture millions of these the same way they mass-produce cars. So that's why Optimus may become the first humanoid robot that regular people or businesses can actually afford. Right now, Optimus can already pick up objects, walk, wave, and even do simple tasks like watering plants. So it's not flashy, but it's designed for real utility at a scale. And then there is Atlas from Boston Dynamics. Atlas is the show-off athletes of human robots. It can run, it can jump, climb, and even do backflips. This is the robot you see in viral videos pulling off parkour routines that look impossible for a machine. The secret is in its actuation system. Atlas uses a mix of hydraulics and custom electric motors that gives it explosive power and agility. Its control system is even more impressive. Atlas can replan its movement in milliseconds. If it sleeps, it instantly shifts its whole body to regain balance, just like a human athlete. Atlas isn't designed for mass production or commercial use, but it serves as a research platform pushing the limits of what robots can physically do. It's basically a glimpse into the cutting edge of robotics performance. 10 years ago, a robot climbing stairs made headline. Today, these robots are walking, running, and even working alongside people. Each one is solving a different piece of the puzzle. Let me know in the comments, which one excites you the most? The fast-developing workplace-ready Figure 2, the mass-market vision of Tesla Optimus, or the boundary-pushing acrobatic Atlas? If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more video on tech. Thank you for watching. See you next time.